James Dunlop Textiles is a family-owned company. We're an importer distributor of textile fabrics from around the world, so we source upholstery and drapery fabrics from suppliers worldwide, and we supply them to the New Zealand, Australian, US markets, as well as a number of export markets.
James Dunlop Textiles came to us with a project to move their existing 17 servers into a cloud-hosted environment.
We wanted someone who had better access to support staff, more expertise with some of the particular business applications that we use in the textile trade, and we were looking for a more cost-effective solution as well as a DR solution.
We chose to use StorageCraft ShadowProtect for this project because we're familiar with the software and its reliability.
So the StorageCraft ShadowProtect solution is a backup and disaster recovery software that provides data protection, managed system migration and disaster recovery for Windows and Linux, physical and virtual environments. ShadowProtect can back up as frequent as every 15 minutes throughout the day. This could equate to 96 backups a day, giving us very granular point-in-time recovery. What we find is there's a lot of antiquated products out there that can only back up once a day. This is really limiting your recovery points, and with ShadowProtect's ability to back up frequently throughout the day, it's offering a rapid disaster recovery to any 15-minute point in time.
So the migration process started with two phases. We had a pre-stage where we took all of James Dunlop Textiles servers up into our cloud environment, and then we had them check over those servers to make sure it was all as expected. And then the second half of that project was picking a weekend and cutting over. And Monday, there was no downtime or any effect to users.
The project went well. We tested it all thoroughly so that all the processes within their data center worked in the same way that they did in our live environment. And then we picked a point in time for go live and we went for it.
The way that we've helped James Dunlop Textiles with their backups is improving the backup frequency. We're now doing hourly incremental backups, whereas prior they only had daily backups. If there's a disaster recovery event, we can have that server up and running in hours. It's also a great way for us to spin up new servers, clone existing servers. There is no impact to the users. Essentially, we want this to be a streamlined back-end process that they don't need to notice or worry about unless something happens and we need to recover data.
The disaster recovery solution now gives us peace of mind that we can recover critical areas of the business if there was an event of a problem.
Last year alone, the ransomware threats increased by 750%. This is really relevant in today's market and suggests we need the ability to rapidly roll back to 15 minutes, half an hour ago prior to a disaster event. We're really changing the mindset of our customers. Rather than them saying, I can't afford to invest in a solution, they're saying, I can't afford not to.